The Jawa 42 Bobber is not just a motorcycle. It is a bold expression of individuality. With its low-slung stance, muscular tank, chopped fenders, and single floating seat, it embodies the raw spirit of bobber culture. The design merges retro inspiration with modern precision, giving it a unique character that instantly commands attention on the road. Every angle of the 42 Bobber speaks of rebellion, minimalism, and style, making it a machine that isn't built to blend in, but to stand apart. At its core lies a 334cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and responsive performance. The throttle response is crisp, while the exhaust note carries a deep, throaty growl reminiscent of old-school bobber. Built for city cruising and open highways alike, it delivers refined performance without losing its raw edge. Every ride on the Jawa 42 Bobber is an experience that connects you directly to the machine, with power, sound, and feel blending into one pure moment of riding pleasure. Attention to detail sets the Jawa 42 Bobber apart. The premium seat stitching, wide handlebars, blacked-out alloy wheels, and contrasting chrome accents create a motorcycle that balances elegance with attitude. The minimalist instrument cluster, precision-crafted levers, and quality finishes highlight the craftsmanship that has gone into its creation. From the matte and glossy paint schemes to the clean lines across its bodywork, the 42 Bobber manages to be both rugged and refined, a rare balance that few motorcycles achieve. What makes the Jawa 42 Bobber truly special is the way it strips riding back to its essence. It is a machine built not just for transport, but for emotion. Every time you fire up its engine, you're reminded of the bond between rider and motorcycle, raw, unfiltered, and authentic. On highways, it stretches its wings with confident power. In the city, it glides with graceful ease. More than a ride, the Jawa 42 Bobber is a statement of freedom, individuality, and timeless motorcycling spirit.